Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine earning money while you sleep. Yes, it's possible with passive income. In today's fast-paced world, generating additional income without quitting your full-time job is a game-changer. The internet and various investment opportunities have made earning passive income more accessible than ever. Whether you want to diversify your income streams or build long-term wealth, passive income is the key. Real estate investments are a reliable way to earn passive income without leaving your job. Rental properties can provide a steady income stream, and you can even hire a property management company to handle the work. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate projects with small amounts of money. Dividend stocks offer a consistent and reliable source of passive income, paying you a portion of the company's profits. Many large, established companies pay dividends regularly, providing a predictable income stream. Starting a passive income blog can be a fantastic way to earn money without quitting your job. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create valuable content that solves problems for your readers. Monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and selling digital products. Digital products like e-books, online courses, or templates can generate ongoing income with minimal effort. Affiliate marketing is an easy way to earn passive income with no money upfront by promoting products or services. Selling digital products on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad can be done with little to no initial investment. Building a YouTube channel around a specific niche can also generate passive income through ad revenue and sponsorships. These strategies require time to build, but once set up, they can earn you money without daily effort. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to earn money while focusing on other aspects of your life. By choosing the right passive income ideas, you can supplement your salary and achieve your financial goals. Start building your wealth today with passive income, without quitting your job. Your financial freedom awaits.